The CPIM MLA Muhammad Yusuf Tarigami brought up the Indo-Pakistan ties, relations, and he is advocating for improved ties with the hostile neighbor, batting for talks. Echoing past leaders, Tarigami suggested that India and Pakistan must explore ways to live peacefully and improve relations. Now, quoting Manmohan Singh and Atal Bihari Vajpayee, the CPIM MLA says that while borders may not change, they can be softened. Now, the question remains, the question that we are raising here is that at a time when Pakistan continues to fuel cross-border terrorism, can India afford to take a lenient stance? Listen into the CPIM MLA.
लेकिन इसके अलावा मैं ये कहूंगा, जैसा कि मीर साहब ने कहा, आज भी ये सवाल है, वो हमसाया मुल्क, हमारा मुल्क पाकिस्तान, ये आज भी कहीं न कहीं हमारे पॉलिसी बनाने में, चाहे इख्तिलाफ भी करें आपस में, चाहे उनका गले की कुछ भी हो, लेकिन वाक़ा यही है कि आज भी ये मसला है हमारे मुल्क के सामने भी और पाकिस्तान के सामने भी कि ताल्लुकात कैसे बेहतर हों ताकि वो भी खेल से रहे और हम भी खेल से रहे। और इस बारे में ये नहीं हमारी रिवायत है, सब्र से काम लें, सब्र से काम लें, मेरी गुजारिश है। हमारे जहां मनमोहन सिंह जी ने ये कहा कि बॉर्डर्स कैन नॉट बी चेंज, लेकिन उनको सॉफ्ट किया जा सकता है, मेल जोल बढ़ाने के लिए, तिजारत करने के लिए, रिश्ते को सवार करने के लिए। और यही बात बहुत ही प्यारे ढंग से हमारे आजहानी प्राइम मिनिस्टर अटल जी ने भी कहे कि आप दोस्तों को बदल सकते हैं, लेकिन हम सारों को बदल नहीं सकते। एंड ही वाज द फर्स्ट स्टेट्समैन ऑफ द कंट्री जिन्होंने यहां से बस सर्विस वो मोहब्बत का पैगाम लेकर गए वहां। पर उसको क्या है, लेकिन अच्छी बातों को याद किया ही जाना चाहिए। और इसके अलावा उन्होंने जहां तक मनमोहन सिंह जी का ताल्लुक है,
my colleague Gursimran Singh joins us live in the broadcast for more. Gursimran, well, it seems that, Mr. Tarigami is quoting, instances and the past examples from Vajpayee times, Manmohan Singh, but he forgets that what has happened and how there has been a decline. There have been efforts, no doubt, by several prime ministers, including when the Prime Minister Narendra Modi himself was elected. But we saw what has happened, the terror attacks that followed, right from Uri to Pathankot. We've seen everything. And henceforth, India has taken a certain stance. But it seems that the CPIM is trying to only mislead the people and serving someone else's agenda.
Certainly, the statement that has come from the CPIM MLA clearly hinting at betting towards the talks with the Pakistan, because when he said that it was the Manmohan Singh who started the initiative and also said that the borders cannot be changed, but it can only be softened, and so does he quoted the case of Atal Bihari Vajpayee, in which he said that Atal Bihari Vajpayee said that it is only and only the neighbors that can be dealt with. You cannot change it. You can change the fence, but not the neighbors. So he was trying to give a soft edge to the Pakistan when it comes to the Indo-Pakistan ties. He was pressing on that because he also said that the issue that remains between India and Pakistan is how to improve relations and how to maintain peace. But many attempts for the talks there have been in the past as well, and he was praising those attempts that have been made by the previous regimes. Though there is no doubt that the present regime has also made their efforts when the Prime Minister Narendra Modi went to Pakistan, to Nawaz Sharif, but we saw what happened, that we saw back-to-back terror attacks that have taken place. But the CPIM MLA, he was clearly in no mood to say what the Pakistan has been doing. He just quoted that what that attempts were made when it comes to Manmohan Singh or Atal Bihari Vajpayee to restore ties and to initiate peace talks. But I also said that the issue that remains between India and Pakistan is that there needs to be talks so that there can be peace on the borders and for the people.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Gursimran, for joining us with those details coming in on that story.